When it comes to digital whiteboarding, Miro and Lucidspark are two of the top tools that teams turn to. Both are designed to help with brainstorming, collaboration, and visual planning, but they each have their own strengths. Let's break it down. Starting with Miro, it's one of the most popular online whiteboarding platforms, and for good reason. Miro offers an almost limitless canvas where teams can create diagrams, mind maps, flowcharts, and more. The interface is intuitive, and it's easy to add sticky notes, shapes, or images. It's great for visual thinkers and teams that need a collaborative space for real-time ideation. Miro also has a huge library of templates, which makes it simple to start projects without building everything from scratch. Whether you're planning a product roadmap, conducting a retrospective, or mapping customer journeys, Miro has templates that fit almost every scenario. It integrates with tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Drive, which helps teams stay connected across different platforms. The real-time collaboration in Miro is smooth. Multiple team members can work on the same board at once, leave comments, or vote on ideas. Now let's talk about Lucidspark. Lucidspark focuses on simplicity and speed, while still offering robust collaboration features. Its interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is great for teams who want to jump right into brainstorming without a steep learning curve. You can add sticky notes, draw shapes, and create diagrams just like in Miro, but with a more streamlined feel. One of Lucidspark's strengths is the voting and grouping features, which are excellent for team ideation sessions. It's easy to organize ideas, prioritize tasks, and turn brainstorming sessions into actionable plans. Lucidspark also integrates with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Jira, making it easy to connect with your existing workflow. Lucidspark may not have the same extensive template library as Miro, but it makes up for it with simplicity and focus. If you want a whiteboarding tool that is fast, collaborative, and easy to use. So which one is right for your team? If you need a highly versatile, feature-rich whiteboarding platform with advanced templates and integration options, Miro is the top choice. It's ideal for large teams, workshops, and complex projects that require a robust collaborative space. In the end, both platforms make remote collaboration easy and interactive. Miro is great for teams that want maximum flexibility and features, while Lucidspark excels in simplicity and clarity. The best choice comes down to your team's workflow, size, and how much complexity you want in your digital whiteboard.